Today we are looking at a small packaging machine. This unit is a very simple, easy to use, intuitive machine. You can see it has a stainless steel hopper and white plastic food grade components for metering your product. We are using a small scale. It's recommended to have a scale that is certified for trade, but for our demonstrational purposes, this will work okay. This unit uses a auger metering system that simply counts rotations, and you can really dial this unit in with the rotations and the speed combination. This particular unit has also been upgraded with the foot pedal switch you see here, and it also has the cycle switch and top off switch. Here you have your speed control and your motor on and off switch. This is your rotation control. I am doing this test for a customer that is wanting to distribute 11 ounces of cornbread meal. I am going to be testing this with coffee. You can see we have our hopper full. I have dialed this in to 958 revolutions. Seems to be a good number. We'll go ahead, fire up our scale. You can see we are at 00 ounces. Again, you should have a scale that is for legal trade. We're going to go ahead and use the cycle button on this run. You can see the unit starts counting. Here you can see we are just a little bit light. We are right on the edge. You can see the scale is teetering. To correct this, I'm going to simply add another revolution to our counter. We hit the over button, then we hit the up button, and we are now at 959 revolution. Hit the mode button. Now this has set our count. We will dump this product back in to the hopper and we will do another test. Here you can see our scale is zeroed, our tub is empty. And for this cycle, we are going to use the additional foot pedal. This makes the unit a little more user-friendly. We're going to start it now. Unit's just counting away. And there we have a perfect distribution of product. We are going to do that test one more time. You can see we have our tub empty, 959 revolutions. Going to go ahead, use the foot pedal, start the test again. Unit hums right to life. There are no irregular noises. See the agitator in the hopper. And there again, we have a perfect distribution of product. To improve accuracy with this machine, you can simply slow the machine down. What that does is it slows the distribution auger down inside the machine. This makes you more accurate if you are really wanting to tailor things in. With this machine, you want to keep adjusting it to find a good happy medium between your revolutions and your speed. The reason you want to do this is if you turn the machine down to a slower speed, it will be more accurate. But if you are wanting to do an 11-pound unit, then it will take longer to fill that unit. With this machine, the faster you spin the unit, the less accuracy you will have. Bear that in mind for this small packager. I'm going to now go over adjusting the machine. We are at 11 ounces, and I want to skim that back to 10 ounces. For this Maxwell House brand coffee, it seems to be 100 revolutions per ounce. So I'm going to simply drop this back to 859, and we will see where we land. And then I will continue to dial it in just by going up 1 revolution at a time until we consistently hit 10 ounces on our scale. So again, we're going to go ahead and make an adjustment. We're going to slide over. Hopefully you can see that the 9 is now flickering. We're going to lower this down to 859 revolution. Hit our mode button. Now the unit will only go 859 cycles. You can see we have our scale zeroed. Our tub is empty. And we're going to cycle the unit 859 times and see what our scale reads out at. At the current speed setting, this unit is distributing 10 to 11 ounces of product in about 16 seconds. Now here you can see that we are at 9.9 ounces. So I'm going to up this by 2 counts, putting us at 861. So again, we are going to now adjust the unit. We're going to go up to 861. See how we like that. Again, our scale is zeroed, tub is empty. We're going to hit the cycle button. You can also do this with the foot pedal. This makes it a lot nicer, more user-friendly, especially if you're using small bags. We hit the cycle button, and let's see where we land. We are still a little bit shy. We're going to go up another 2 revolutions and find our good, consistent 10-ounce weight. We made our previous adjustment to 863. We have went ahead and bumped up our count to 865. You can see that our scale is zeroed and our tub is empty. We're going to go ahead, cycle the machine using the foot pedal this time. Here you can see now we have dialed in a perfect distribution of product. We will test this one more time, and then we would move in to production packaging. We have the unit set. Our scale is zeroed. We're going to go ahead, cycle it one more time, just to make sure that we are dialed in. Here you can see we had a perfect distribution. Yet again, we dialed the machine in at 865 cycles to lessen our product by 1 ounce. As I mentioned before, you should have a scale that is for legal trade. You can purchase those through us if you would like. This has been a demonstrational video of the small packaging system available through us here at Commodity Traders International. Thank you for watching.